we have strived right from the very first release of gCADPlus to keep the interface as clean and as uncluttered as we possibly can. However, there are times when, say in an example such as this one, where you're assembling a complex drawing and you want more screen real estate, and you can do that by picking one of the workspaces, and workspaces are reached via View and Workspace. And let's have a look at the default workspace where we are now, and you can see the interface changes a little. Some of the toolbars are parked on the right, but if you go View and Workspace and gCADPlus, this is the one I like to use, where the OSnap toolbars are popped up here. But there are lots of other options. You can go View and Workspace and Minimal, and if we do that, can you see every toolbar and drop-down menu and whatever are all stripped away, and you've got the maximum area to work with. You can still, select an item, which in this case is an arrow, and you could right-click and move it just a little. So you can still edit and right-click and zoom extents, but you've got, especially on a larger monitor, you've got plenty of screen real estate to work with. If you do pick that minimal one, you can right-click up the top of the screen and show the menu bar again, and then you could go View and Workspaces and go back to the default. You can also load the collection and placement of toolbars, what's on and what's off, and save that as a name. If we go to View, Workspace, we can come down here to load a workspace, and Charles Ledbetter, working in Victoria, has a workspace. Here's his favourite workspace. There's no command area, but there is a drop-down menu. You can always pop back the command area or command line if you want. Now we have the line, so you can configure gCADPlus in whatever way you want, and you can save the arrangement of what's on and what's showing and give that your favourite name for your design organisation. And at any time you can switch from one workspace to another. So let's go back to my favourite, the gCADPlus default.